In this tutorial, we show you how to write Python code to extract crops of all objects from a video annotated using the ANU CVML video annotation tool. We'll start by creating a new Python file under the tools/python directory. Call it extract.py. Now let's add a header comment telling us what the file does and include our name and email address. We'll be creating a directory and writing images, so we'll need to import the OS and CV2 modules. We'll also make use of the Vidat class that is available in the GitHub repository associated with the ANU CVML video annotation tool. Next, define constants for the locations of the input video and annotations and output directory. We'll also create the output directory. Note that this function will fail if the directory already exists. The Vidat class makes it easy to read and query annotation files. We create a Vidat object by passing the annotation and video file name to the Vidat constructor. We can then get a list of all objects from v.annotation.objects. Finally, we can iterate through each object, extracting the video frame for that object and then cropping to the bounding box for the object. Remember, OpenCV assumes that the Y dimension comes first and the X dimension second. Also, these values must be in pixel coordinates, so we cast them to int. We save the cropped images to the output directory using the OpenCV imWrite function. Okay, let's run the code. It finishes very quickly for this short video. Opening the crops directory, we see an image has been saved for every object that was annotated in this video, namely people, robots, and books. We hope that this tutorial was useful in helping you get started with writing Python code to process videos annotated with the ANU CVML video annotation tool.